There's a lot of kitten in my room. Someone gave it to me a week ago, and my bed. It's this year flood. It's more higher than before. I'm so sleepy. The table also already float, and look at the counter. So if the water is still keep rising, so if it raise more, then I will just let it float. So I cannot do anything. There is no place to put all of this stuff here. This one too, and here. In their cage, soon the water will reach in cage. The 3 cats there is not mine. Neighbor cat. They evacuate somewhere because their house is very deep there. But the people in evacuation center don't like cats, so she give them back here. So after flood, she will take it again. Well, I can't say no. This one, I hope the water will not raise. This how many is just few inches, then it will reach the. I know. It's too crowded here. Is my dog. It's very crowded, and there is some cats that need attention here, so I cage them. Here also, it's very crowded. There is one cat here. As you can see, he's eating now. That's the ginger cat, neighbor cat. He was sick. He's sick, but it's a good thing because when the water very deep like that, he start eating. But just the cage also I already 3 times make it higher. Before when have a typhoon or flood jet, I force feed him twice late at night, so not too much job for me, but at least I actually thought that I will lose him. There's water also here. Let's see. I need to be careful. Oh my god. It's very deep. Look at it. It's until my neck over there. This is the ginger cat. He's not his time yet. He may be there in the cage like 67, 8 like that. The first 4 days, then I force feed him. It's not so easy force feeding and going out twice late at night because of the weather, and I'm also wet all day. Oh my god, I'm tired. Opo. And some of the cats that I'm feeding outside, I gather them one by one and put in the roof. They're here. Somewhere they're hiding because it's raining. There. Also here. So I don't know how many cats here. Maybe like 10. Doon ka na? Doon na. Maybe 10 cats. Opo. I need to go down because I'm wet. So I hope no more rising. See, the water is soon. I will rest early today. Just tiring, just walking here all day with this very deep water. Ano na yun? Okay na. Opo. Sige na. Sige, okay na. Okay na.